All right. Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm gonna film it this way because apparently I'm having technical difficulties with my mic on my stupid webcam here. It doesn't want to record loud enough for a presentation on anything. So I'm gonna do redo the videos that I released earlier today, and I'm going to redo one of those right now, and that's going to be how to overclock your monitor. Um, Simple way. If you have an Nvidia video card or graphics card or GPU, whatever you want to call it, you right click on your main screen on your desktop. You'll see Nvidia Control Panel. Click on that. Over on the left side, you're going to see a whole bunch of options in the tab. You go to Change Resolution. Come down here. You'll see your current settings and what you're running already. Click Customize. Make sure you click the Enable Resolutions Not Exposed by the Monitor. Make sure you click that. Then click Create Custom Resolution. That will allow you to go to 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, whatever you want to do. Now, whether or not your monitor is overclockable or not is dependent on the monitor. Some can do it, some can't. Mine specifically can't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to 76, knowing that it's going to crash me because I have a 75 hertz monitor that can't be overclocked, just to show you what happens. This is all that'll happen. Poof, we get a black screen. And it says input not supported. And it'll just bounce around for a second. You'll see the little gray box with input not supported and white letters on it, just kind of moving across your screen a little bit. And then it'll flicker back on and poof, you just go back to whatever your safest resolution was. Now, my advice to people that can do it, if you can, if your monitor is able to be overclocked, what you do though, let's say you've got a 75 hertz monitor, but you can go to 85. Okay, at 85, yeah, you're not crashing, but you're probably dropping frames and you're losing actually performance. So you go to the absolute max before it crashes and then back it down like 3. So let's say you can go to 80. All right, great. Drop it back down to 77, 78, maybe, you know? Um, just an easy way to look at that is if you're running it fully maxed out, you're gonna lose frames. Period. I know it sounds great to be like, yeah, I've got this 10 hertz overclock, but in reality, 7 hertz is not bad. That's 7 frames per second more that it can process. That's pretty good. Um, or 7 times, more in a second, uh, 7 more in refresh, dude, is a lot. I mean, think about it. There's a big difference between 60 and 75, and that's only 15. There's a big difference between 100 and 120, and again, that's 20. But if you can cut that, if you have a 100 hertz monitor and you can cut that to, if you can go to 110, why not? That's assuming that you could get to like 112, 113, and then you back it back down to that safe number to where you're not dropping any frames. And it'll limit your tearing, your flickers or anything else or any other type of artifacts or anything else that might come with that. Um, and then you would just make sure you click that. And since that's already there, I don't get the option to save it. And then you just click OK, and you keep your current overclocked resolution. That's it. That's all it takes. And with that, I'm going to cut this a little short because this is the second time that I filmed it today. So have a good one, everybody. Hopefully the audio on this works out. That would be great. It's showing that it's bouncing around, so we'll see. But all right, everybody. Peace.